Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oi. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oi. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oi. Abia kwenu, oi. Anambra kwenu, oi. Ebonyi kwenu, oi. Enugu kwenu, oi. Imo kwenu, oi. Nigeria kwezuono. Hello, friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you all again to my interesting Igbo segment. My name is Maze or Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives in society, issues that affect the Igbos and the non-Igbos, including the general public. All right, today we're going to talk about what parts of body are called in Igbo land. Like I told you some time ago, I said, and I still do, I said I would ensure that names that are outside the Igbo Izugbe is generally Igbo. There's accepted words you can use. You find the Igbo books, Bibles, and textbooks used in schools and other places. The Igbo dialects used there, the acceptable dialect, is what is referred to as Igbo Izugbe. That's generally accepted Igbo. Okay, so I will tell you what such particular body parts of the body are called generally. That is in Igbo Izugbe, the accepted Igbo. Then what they or some other people in their own dialects, what they call the same thing. Then I will tell you so that you'll be able to know when you hear something that sounds different from a particular part of the body, you would know that it still means that one, the generally accepted name for that particular part of the body or any other thing at all. I will always, teach you outside the box. All right then, guys. Now we are going to start. The first one is called what we call head. Head in Igbo is Isi. Ece. You can still hear some people call it Ishi. It's still the same thing. Then the second one, you hear what we call the hair on the head. The hair on the head. So the hair on the head is called Ntoto. Okay? It's called Ntoto Isi. Ntoto Isi. Nente o Teo. Nente o Teo. Isi. Or Ntoto Ishi. Because remember I told you, Isi and Ishi mean the same thing. They both mean the head. Okay, what the Igbo calls face. The Igbo people call face Ihu. That's the general Igbo name, Igbo Izugbe. Ihu. Then some will call it Iru. That is what you get from some parts of Anambra State. Iru instead of Ihu. Some will call it Ezihu. That's what you get in some parts of Imo State. The three still mean the same thing. They are referring to what? The face. His face. Okay. The other one is called Anya. Anya is the eyes. So you can hear some people call it Enya, especially people from a part of Abia State called Ohofia, Abreba, Arochukwu, and Ebonyi. You see some people call Anya, Enya, they still mean the same thing. They're referring to the eyes. Then you have Ikuanya. What is Ikuanya? Ikuanya is the eyebrow. This thing here. The two of them are called eyebrows. Okay, that's Ikuanya, eyebrows in English. Ikuanya in Igbo. Then the other one is called Abubanya, Mbubaranya. Abubaranya. The Abubanya, Mbubaanya, Abubaranya mean the same thing. They are talking about the eyelashes. The eyelashes, we all know what the eyelashes here. This one above, below the eyebrow, eyelashes. That's what they are called. The names I mentioned here still refer to one thing, the eyebrows. Okay, The other one, you have what is called, for eyeballs, you have mkpụrụ or ọkpụrụkpụ anya. Mkpụrụ anya or ọkpụrụkpụ anya mean the same thing. Mkpụrụ anya is the Igbo izugbe. That is the generally accepted Igbo. The general Igbo we all know. Then ọkpụrụkpụ anya is another way to describe the same thing as mkpụrụ anya, which both of which mean the eyeballs, the eyeballs themselves. Okay, now you have what is called nti. Nti. What the nti means? Nti. The nti is this, the ears. Okay. Then you have nti. Remember, the other one is nti. This one is nti. You can see the a, the one that has dots at the head and at the bottom, is nti. That's the a you will see in nti. Nti. That is the ears. Now this one is nti. Nti. The one that has only one dot at the head. The small letter has only one dot at the head. Okay, that one is called nti. That is cheek. Your cheek. A cheek. That's what nti means. You know, there's some nti. You can hear some people call it agede. Agede. See the same thing. I think they are agede. No. Yeah, nti. It's just the cheek. Okay, now the agede. You know, it's about this bone here. That's what they call agede. And when you're chewing something, the bones here that move up and down, you know, the bones are called agede in Igbo. So I think it's called their cheekbones. Yeah. Then we have imi. Imi is nose. That's what we call nose in Igbo. Imi. Then ogele imi. Ogele imi means this bridge here, the bridge on the nose. It's called ogele imi. Ogi eli imi. Ogi eli imi. Separate. They are not written together. Or you can write and use a hyphen to demarcate the two. Okay, they are referring to the bridge here. Yeah. Then we have onu. Onu means the mouth. That's what every Igbo person calls it, the mouth. Onu, oneo. Then we have egbubere onu, ikpuru onu, igberibe onu, egbubere onu, egbi eri space oneo, egbubere onu. Then ikpuru onu, ri space oneo. You can use the demarcation to demarcate ikpuru and the onu. Then the other one is called igberibe onu, igbi eri igberibe. Then onu, oneo. They are all referring to the lips. Egbubere onu, igberibe onu, ikpuru onu. Three of them refer to the lips. This. So egbubere onu is what the general Igbo call it. You know, some other parts of Igbo have their own dialects for it. But wherever you hear egbubere onu, ikpuru onu, or igberibe onu, three of them mean the lips. Okay. Then you have ire, the tongue. The tongue. Ire, the tongue. Okay. Then you have eze, the teeth. The teeth. Then you have agba, aba, nko. Agwa, aba, nko. They mean this place. The jaw. Okay. The jaw. Okay. Now, the agba, aba, nko. Agba is spelled as abea, and then aba is spelled as abea. Then the other one is nenkeo. They all mean the chin, you know, the jaw. So the other one is olu, onu, or olu, oliu, oniu. The olu is the adopted the right Igbo word for the neck, while unu is how some parts of Anambra State or Enugu and Enugu refer the neck, refer to the neck as. Okay, we still have more to talk about, but we cannot finish this today. So there are other parts of the body you need to know about as we continue. All right, remember that Obi or Obu means the chest. Obi or Obu, O-B-E, O-B-U, they still mean the same thing. Obi is the right word. Obi is the right word for it in Igbo generally, but while Obu is some parts of Anambra call it that. All right, bye-bye, guys.